Hello guys, welcome to anontechtube. Today I am going to talk about how to download and install Davinci Resolve video editing software on Ubuntu. This process also will work on any Debian based Linux operating system such as Kali Linux, Parrot, Raspberry Pi and more. It's available for Mac, Windows and for the Linux operating system. Okay guys, without talking too much, let's get started. Okay, first of all, we have to download Davinci Resolve software. Open the link from the description. It's official site of Davinci Resolve software. Okay, now simply click on download now. It will open download page. Here is two variant of Davinci Resolve. First one is free version and second one is paid version. I am going to download the free version of Davinci Resolve. You can see it's available for Mac, Windows and for the Linux operating system. Download for the Linux operating system, simply click on Linux. It will open a pop-up window. Here we have to fill first name, last name, email address, phone number, country, then click on register and download. Within few seconds, download will start. It's about 2.2 GB and by default it will save on downloads folder. I am going to cancel the download because I have already downloaded the software. Okay, after successfully download, simply close the browser. Okay, now go to downloads directory. Here is it. It is in zip format, so we have to extract the file here. Simply left click on it and then click on extract here. Within few minutes it will extract. Okay, here is it. Simply open the folder. Now I am going to install the software. Open the terminal here. Alright, type ls and press enter to list all files. Here we have to give extract permission for install the software. Type sudo chmod 777. Copy the Davinci software installation file and paste it here. Then press enter. Type the administrator password, then press enter. Okay, for install the software, type dot forward slash and paste the installation file, then press enter. Here simply install the software. Simply click next. Again next. Here agree the terms and condition and click next. Then click on start install. Type the administrator password and click on authenticate. You can see installation has been started and it will take little bit longer. Okay, click on finish. Now close the terminal and a folder. Alright, now go to application menu and find Davinci Resolve. Here is it. Simply open it. You can see I got an error. Unsupported GPU processing mode. Let's click on Update Configuration. Now go to Memory and GPU. As you can see, it does not detect the system GPU. Now simply cancel it. Okay, now we have to install a tool to detect the GPU. Simply open the terminal and type sudo apt install mesha hyphen opencl hyphen icd and press enter. Type your administrator password and press enter. Here type Y and press enter to continue. Okay, after successfully installed, simply close the terminal. Alright, now go to application menu and open the Davinci Resolve application. Alright, this time I didn't get any error. Here simply open the default project. Alright, now Davinci Resolve software is ready to use. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope this video was very helpful for you. Thanks for watching. See you again.